In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Booksy account. If you're looking to book appointments with hairstylists, barbers, or beauticians, Booksy is your go-to platform for easy online booking. So let's dive right in and get your account set up. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Booksy's website. You can simply type in Booksy in your search bar, or if you'd like, use the link we've provided below this video. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice it's designed with user-friendliness in mind, showcasing various categories to help you book appointments with just a few clicks. Next, look towards the top right corner of the site, where you'll find the login like sign up button. Go ahead and give that a click. This will direct you to the login page, where you'll have several options for creating an account. Now, if you're used to signing up through traditional email methods, you can begin by entering your email address in the designated field. Enter a secure password, and once everything looks good, move on to the next step. Alternatively, if you prefer the convenience of social logins, Booksy offers multiple options. You can sign up using your Facebook, Apple, or Google account. It's a straightforward process. Just click on your preferred method. For instance, if you decide to continue with Google, click on the Google icon. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to select your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account, select it from the list or type in your email and password if not. Once you've signed in using one of these methods, a button labeled Continue should appear on your screen. Clicking it will verify your account and sign you in promptly. After that's settled, you'll be guided to a page requesting additional information such as your phone number. This step is crucial for ensuring account security and for receiving important updates. Simply type in your number, take a moment to review it for accuracy, and then press Continue. With these steps completed, you've officially set up your Booksy account. Now you can explore the site, search through a plethora of professionals, read reviews, and manage your appointment bookings right from your dashboard. Don't forget to check out the mobile app for on-the-go convenience. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've created your account and are now ready to tap into the wealth of services Booksy has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment or question below.